Hello everyone, thank you for visiting our website. Now again, the name of our website is MixStarFX.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite indicators, and it's called Heiken Ashi. And we'll start with the rules. What we use are two indicators. One is the exponential moving average 14, EMA 14, with the blue color. And the other indicator, of course, is the Heiken Ashi with the standard settings. And it's best used with the currency pairs that trend the most, and the list is on the screen right now. We also use it. I also use it with a daily time frame, but you could also use it with the 4-hour, with a 1-hour. But I recommend using it on a daily time frame until you get very familiar with it. Basically, the rules are for the long trade, the buy trade. The Heiken Ashi chart has the last two bars in white, and then the EMA 14 is pointing upwards, indicating an uptrend. And the way you enter is the first white bar price crosses EMA and closes above it, and then we wait for the price on the second bar to break that first bar's highs, and you enter right after that. Now on the short trades, the sell trade, it's kind of similar but in the opposite direction. The Heiken Ashi chart has the last two bars in red. The EMA 14 is pointing downwards, indicating a downtrend, and the first red bar price crosses EMA and closes below it. And then we wait for the price on the second bar to break that first bar low, and we enter right after that. And I'm going to show you some examples right now. This is a MetaTrader 4, and this is Euro US daily. And if you can look at this, basically the trend kind of started right here on September 13. Now again, these are two white bars. The EMA is pointing upward, and the second bar broke that first white bar. So we would have entered right here, for example. Now as far as money management, I usually have 200 pip stop loss and a 200 pip profit. Now the way I do it is I usually have two open lots, and either if you have a smaller account, you would do two mini lots. Now as soon as our profit reaches 200 pips, which on this one kind of did, then we would close the first lot or mini lot if you have a smaller account, and we move the stop loss to break even after that. And then we trail stop the stop loss 200 pips every time it moves up 200 pips, and just kind of ride the trend until it stops you out. So again, with this one, it went over 1,000 pips, but probably would have stopped you out right here. So it's easily over 800 pips, but probably, I'm not sure exactly, I haven't done the calculation, but probably you would have gotten into the 1,000 pips right here. So this was an unbelievable great trend right here. You could have made a lot of money with that. Now again, like I said, let me go ahead and zoom in here. Like I said, in order to take a trade, your EMA has to be pointing towards your direction. So this was going down, but then the EMA was still going up. But even, I'm not sure, maybe this was going down at that time. So even if you would have taken this trade, you would have lost 200 pips. Like I said, stop loss is 200 pips. So you would have lost 200 pips here. And even if you would have taken this one right here, again, and this closed and this is going down, it only went up, about 90 pips or so. and then it went against you, even though the EMA is not in your direction. But even if you would have taken this, you would have lost 200 pips here. So that's 400 pips right here. I'm showing you all the winnings and losses. But then you would have made some money right here. Now this is again 2 white bars. First, the second one broke the first bar, and it's over 300 pips. So you would have made at least 200 pips right here. Now again on the downturn right here, again broke, closed. Second one broke the first bar, and it's over 200 pips. So you would have made 400 pips right here. You kind of paid for those 2 losses if you would have taken these 2 losses, but you would have still had this long 800 plus pip winnings right here. So again, this is only Euro US, but you could use it with any other pair also. Here is British Pound and Euro US, for example, and right here you would have taken this one right here. It's over 200 pips, probably 500 pips. You probably would have made at least 400 pips right here. Now on the downturn right here, you would have lost money. You would have lost 200 pips. But on the uptrend, you would have made money here. Now you would have not taken a trade here, obviously, because this did not break the first bar. So you would have taken it on the break of this bar. Even if you would have taken on the break of the first bar, but on the third bar right here, you would have still made over close 400 pips. So anyways, this is the Heiken Ashi indicator. I have it on my website. It's MixStarFX.com. I hope this will help you in your trading. Thank you very much. Have a good day.